Incharge is meeting all the office bearers, executive one-on-one. Because last executive meeting, we had executive meeting with combined all the executives. Today it was one-on-one to discuss about what is happening about the constituency in Kire Kam Zalla. Because Lok Sabha is approaching and I think we need to gear up for Lok Sabha. In that preparation, that meeting was.
So any member as an expert from your party?
You see that is a internal party thing that is going on. We have a disciplinary action committee which is there. So some cases we are taking up. So that inquiry might be going on.
So
show cause notice has been issued.
Cases are
No, that is our internal matter. That is not to be discussed in media.
लोकशाय आशिल्ल्यान खंय मतभेद आसतातूच म्हण प्रभारी टागोर म्हणटा.
Every party will have difference of opinion. Therefore, difference of opinion is bound to be there in any democratic organizations. We will, for that only, this office is there to settle that difference.
पक्ष सोडून गेल्ल्यांक हरोवपाची काँग्रेसीची मोख.
Yeah, we are already putting a plan for it. We are already there is a Congress has a plan to defeat those betrayers who have betrayed Congress, and the Congress party will put its plan in action. And we are working on a plan, strong plan, and we will be defeating those betrayers who have taken money from Adani and they are run away from the Congress.
काँग्रेस खंय मणिपूर हिंसाचार आड आंदोलन करतली. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी साहिल मांद्रेकार.